Hey guys, today we are making this rustic cherry tomato pasta. It is so delicious, savory, it only requires a few ingredients, and it only takes less than 30 minutes. Basically, as long as it takes for your pasta water to boil and the pasta to cook. It is gluten-free, eggless, nut-free, and can easily be vegan with a few tweaks. The perfect quick weeknight meal. So come on, let's make it. We're going to add our cherry tomatoes, olive oil, garlic powder, and kosher salt to a medium sauté pan and just mix them and set it over medium heat. We're going to cover with a lid and just let it cook. Periodically, we're going to check. Once the tomatoes are soft, crush them with the back of a spoon and you'll see a nice sauce is starting. Add in our butter and our heavy cream. It will be watery at first, but it will thicken the more we cook. We're going to let it cook without the lid now. Once it's thickened, add in our cooked pasta and mix. It is that simple. It could not be more easy. Perfect for a quick weeknight meal. I hope you guys love it as much as we do. Enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. You can find the complete recipe with step-by-step photos on the blog Lean and Gray Fare, which I have linked below. And for more decadent, gluten-free, nut-free, and egg-free recipes, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more recipe videos just like this one, make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss a single recipe. Thanks so much.